Hello everyone, welcome to another round of Come Your Wits. Now we are in the brand tournament. This is the first brand tournament, first theme tournament that we are conducting. And we are in the second quarterfinal. In the previous quarterfinal, you saw Jeet and Kritika qualify into the semis. Today we have Aditya, Kritik, Neha, and Srinath who will be going on to the next two slots for semifinal two. So, uh, hello everyone, welcome all the participants. Thank you for taking out the time. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Uh, Put in your comments if you want to see a particular theme quiz that you know would be more to your liking. And we'll just start off with today's quiz. I'll just go through the rules once. So, as always, you're not allowed to use the virtual background, a virtual background that can have the answer. If you have a particular background and you've changed it during the question, that is also not allowed. So, 10 marks will be given for every correct answer, 5 for the second attempt. That is when I give you a hint. These questions will be passed in a cyclic manner. So today's order is Aditya, Kritik, Neha, and Srinath. And then we'll reverse it after the first half, which is 5 questions. Your humor-based question answers are encouraged, and so are your wild guesses because they, in this particular case, it might just work out. So with that, we'll start off today's quiz with Aditya.
I want to subscribe to this channel, but I don't want to subscribe to the funny podcast, if that's okay.
So I mean, that just goes with one thing, right? I mean, it's a complete.
नहीं,
You don't hit
please,
the bell
please
icon.
understand, please understand sarcasm and humor-based answers because that's the point I'm here for.
Okay, one more.
He's like,
Someone else also had a background. I don't think. Okay, Jeet had a background today also. Great. So all the best to everyone. We'll start with today's quiz. First is Aditya. So these are a few companies: Beacon Travels, Ego Thai, Ego Italian, Godfrey Phillips, Indophil, X, Calabar, Panvilas, and 24/7. Now I want you to identify X, the one brand that is missing here, which is a wellness and personal care brand.
Oh shit. Okay. Patanjali. I have no fucking idea. Wait,
Good
swearing
guess.
are alright.
Good guess. Yeah, yeah, swearing all right. My parents aren't watching this, so it's fine. बाकी का पता नहीं. So Patanjali, not the right answer. Going to Kritik.
Just a second. I'm thinking.
Sure, sure.
Okay, I have no idea. No clue.
Would you like to take a
I'll
guess?
pass it.
Okay, no problem.
Um,
Do you want to
I'll
take a guess?
pass it. I'll
Neha?
pass.
Personal care. Can I ask if it's a cosmetic brand? It's not, right? It's just wellness and
I can't
personal.
answer that.
Can't answer that. Mm, no idea. Pass.
Okay, Srinath,
is this Philip Morris International?
not Philip Morris International. I'll go another round with a guess this time. So when I talk about it, it's uh, a company that basically also had Lalit Modi as its president once. Now it does not. There's another person. That is the hint. And all these brands have the same like parent company. But there's one particular brand that I want. That is X. I'm not naming the parent company because
Can you repeat that Lalit Modi part?
Lalit Modi was the president of this particular company, of the entire, all these companies before. And I can't say the name of the parent company because it is somewhat relatable to the question.
Okay, got it.
Right. I've still got no idea, but Vico?
No, not Vico. Going to Kritik.
Hmm. I still have no idea. So I've heard of Pan Vilas, but I'm not able to remember which company it belongs to. Yeah, I've heard of Color also. Okay. I have no idea. Nothing is flashing in my mind. Sorry. Pass.
Okay. Neha.
Lalit Modi, you said. So Modi Enterprises is what I remember of his.
Okay, I'll get Srinath's answer and then I can get back to it if nobody
Yeah.
gets.
Okay. Wellness and okay, wait, hold on.
Okay.
That's not my answer. I'm just
Okay. So it's the right track, I mean.
Was there something called Modi Care or something?
Is that your
I
final
don't know.
answer?
I guess, yeah.
Great answer. It is Modi Care. Modi Care
Wow.
was the president was Lalit Modi. Then now the CEO and president is Sameer Modi, and all of those companies were all part of the Modi group. So Neha gets 5 points on Modi Care, starting the account. The next direct,
You just guessed that?
Because of Modi, not anything
that's
else.
the hint. I mean, if I would have gone any other direction, maybe it would have been more difficult. Okay, so the
Modi
next
is
direct,
very, it's not
Okay.
a name you forget.
very impressionable name. So, Srinath, your direct. Blank became the biggest smartphone manufacturer in China, selling its phone at more than 200,000 retail outlets. It was the top smartphone brand in China in 2019 and was ranked number 5 in the market share worldwide. It is a subsidiary of BBK Electronics, which happens to be the parent company for many other smartphone brands as well. So I just want you to tell me the name, which is the blank. That is the biggest manufacturer of smartphones in China.
Is it Xiaomi?
Okay, good guess. Not Xiaomi. Going to Aditya.
Um, um, it's OnePlus.
Good track. I will give you a chance to improvise.
That's all I really got. OnePlus Electronics.
Not OnePlus Electronics. Going to Kritik.
Just a second. I'm audible, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it Vivo?
Not Vivo. Neha.
By elimination, then is it Oppo?
Brilliant elimination. It is Oppo. So Oppo is basically the parent company for OnePlus. That's why I had to give you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I had no idea.
So BBK Electronics has Oppo, Realme, OnePlus. All of that is under BBK Electronics. So Neha gets another 10, bringing the direct again to Srinath. In 1853, John and Henry, both German immigrants, established a small but ambitious workshop producing monocles in Rochester, New York. By 1861, their operation had expanded to manufacturing vulcanite rubber eyeglass frames and other precision vision products. During the American Civil War, the Union blockade caused the price of
May
gold.
I interrupt you? May I interrupt you by saying this Bosch and Lomb?
I still have to anyway read out the
Yeah,
question.
yeah, sure. Yeah, that's my guess.
Okay. So the Union blockade caused the price of gold and European horn to rise dramatically. This resulted in a growing demand for spectacles made from vulcanite. Now, I wanted the name of the brand, which is indeed Bosch and Lombs. So Srinath gets another 10 points. Brilliant answer. Bosch and Lomb, John Bosch and Henry Lomb. So with this, the next direct goes to Aditya. In 2017, as part of the My Black is Beautiful platform, X released an advertisement called The Talk. The advertisement shows African American parents throughout the decades giving their children the talk about racism. The talk. So the advertisement garnered controversy for several different reasons. Now, some people criticized the advertisement for not showing any fathers giving the talk, while others accused it of being anti-white. Despite the criticism, this particular advertisement won several awards, including the 2018 Cannes Lions International Film Festival of Creativity Grand Prix and the 2018 Primetime Emmy Award for Outstanding Commercial during the 70th Primetime Creative Arts Emmy Award. Now, this brand, which gave this particular advertisement or a campaign, is a manufacturer of consumer goods.
Dove.
Good guess, not Dove. Going to Kritik. So I'm talking about
Okay,
manufacturer of consumer goods. So don't focus on a particular brand, is what I would say.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a second. I'm just reading the question. It's
Okay.
too long.
It is. But it's workable. I mean, there's something there.
Okay. Is it Nivea?
Not Nivea. Going
Nivea?
to not Nivea. Going to Neha.
Consumer goods. Johnson and Johnson.
Great guess, but not Johnson and Johnson. Going to Srinath.
Is this Unilever?
Not Unilever. Now I'll give you a guess. Now this, as I said, is a parent company of many different goods. So one of the major products, I can only say that if I give you more, you might just, it will be just telling you the answer. So one of them is Head and Shoulders. So it's an international brand. So we'll go another round with Aditya,
GSK.
not GSK. Going to Neha. Sorry, Kritik.
Is it P&G? Procter and Gamble?
It is Procter and Gamble. P&G. Great answer. P&G gives Kritik 5 points, bringing the next direct to Neha. This is the last question of the first half. Blank's products are targeted at the outdoor action sports demographic, which is snowboarders, skateboarders, etc., and general consumer market as well. The products are sold through retailers, specialty outlets, corporate incentive programs, and other companies' online stores, like companies' online stores. Known for its sturdy designs, they were described as the world's coolest earbud by Fortune magazine. I want you to tell me the particular company or the brand that we're talking about, which focuses on uh, earbuds or let's say any product that can be attracted by snowboarders or skateboarders.
I feel like I've read about this vaguely, but I can't remember for the life of me. Maybe second round I might get it. Who knows? Thanks. Pass.
Srinath,
Yeah, my first guess is Speedos.
not Speedos.
Okay.
Going to not Speedo. Going to Aditya.
Um, Jaybirds.
Sorry,
Jaybirds. So I think they're a brand of earbuds.
no, not Jesus. Going to Kritik.
So earbud as in earphones, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Is it Bose? Random guess.
not Bose. Good guess. Not Bose. We'll go another round now with a hint. Uh, think of the human skeleton. That is the most direct guess I can give throughout the entire tournament. So we'll go another round with Neha.
Human skeleton.
Yes, that is why I mean, body
Skull
design.
candy.
Brilliant answer. It is skull candy.
Okay.
So Neha gets another 5 points, which brings us to the end of the first half. We'll now reverse the order. Srinath, Neha, Kritik, and Aditya. So any which way, it's Srinath direct. So Blue Ribbon Sports was founded by University of Oregon track athlete Phil Knight and his coach Bill Bowerman on January 25th, 1964. The company initially operated in Eugene, Oregon as a distributor for Japanese shoemaker Onitsuka Tiger, making most sales at track meets out of Knight's automobile. Now, today, this company, BRS, is known as X. They faced criticism for the use of child labor in Cambodia and Pakistan in factories it contracted to manufacture soccer balls or football balls. So, footballs. Although X took action to curb or at least reduce the practice, they continue to contract their production to companies that operate in areas where inadequate regulations and monitoring make it hard to ensure that child labor is not being used. So, identify X, that is the new name of the brand.
Okay. So we are not looking at a country here. We are looking at another name for Blue Ribbon Sports because, yeah, I know Sialkot in Pakistan is the
Yeah,
largest manufacturer of football balls. X took action to at least curb or reduce the practice. My only guess is Nike.
brilliant guess it is. Nike.
Thank you.
Great answer. Nike has received a lot of criticism by a lot of different organizations on child labor and the abuse of the laws. So Nike brings another 10 points into Srinath's account. And the next direct is for Neha. Vinny International is an entrepreneurial venture started by Mr. Darshan Patel, the DNA of Paras Pharmaceuticals Limited. The instrumental in creating brands like Move, Decol, Setwet, Ringard, and Dermicool, of which most of them were leaders in their respective categories. In December 2010, Reckitt Benckiser Group bought over Paras Pharmaceuticals Limited for $850 million. Now, the most popular product of this company is X, which is a fragrance brand. I want you to tell me X, what it is, because I've told you the rest of the products. I just want X.
So, the most popular product of Paris Pharmaceuticals, or
So technically, Vinny International.
okay. Um, okay. Is it? The only thing I can think of is that latest IPL ads one, Fog. I'm just going with that.
Brilliant answer. It
Oh,
is Fog.
wow.
It is Fog. So Fog gets Neha another 10 points. Uh, with this, we go to the next direct for Kritik. Now, blank jotters were a favorite choice of President John F. Kennedy for signing legislation and to give it as gifts. Now, indeed, successive presidents after Kennedy to Clinton used blank pens for these purposes, and it retained a special representative, John W. Gibbs, to handle White House orders. In one of his early years in the office, Lyndon Johnson ordered no less than 60,000 blank pens. Now, this he would use up to 75 pens to sign each important document and bill, writing different strokes of the letters of his name with different pens and giving them all away to allies and supporters with little typed certificates. After the company ceased to be an American-owned company, later, presidents switched to using 80 cross company pens. So I want you to tell me what is the blank. All the blanks are same.
Yeah, one sec. So the present name includes jotters, right? The present name of the
What
brand.
is the model? One of the model of the brand.
Okay. Okay. So it is not there in the name.
No, it's not some blank jotters. It's just blank.
Okay.
It's very funny that Aditya says that all the blanks are the same, but he's used three different variations of the blanks.
That's why I had to mention that they're same. It's just, and later when I change the font, there's a space already.
Okay. So is it Parker? That's the only guess I can come up with now.
Brilliant answer. It is Parker. Parker is the right answer. 10 points for Kritik. With this, the next direct. Now, these are last two questions. This is for Aditya. And Aditya has an absolute chance of uh, coming back to the game. Now, brass manufacturer Benedict and Burnham created Waterbury Clock Company in 1854 to manufacture clocks using brass wheels and gears. Waterbury Clock Company was legally incorporated on 27th March 1857 as an independent business with 60,000 in capital. The American clock industry was producing millions of clocks with scores of companies located in Connecticut's Naugatuck River Valley, earning the region nickname Switzerland of America. The Waterbury Clock Company was one of the largest producers for both domestic sales and export, primarily to Europe. Its successor today is X Group USA Incorporated, which is the only remaining watch company in the region, although Breitling has offices nearby Wilton. So identify X, the new name for Waterbury Clock Company.
Isn't Breitling the answer? Like,
No, not the answer.
okay.
He already thought that this time also I'll fuck up.
Okay, so Rolex. I can't think of anything else.
No, not Rolex. Going to Srinath.
One moment. But Breitling is not mentioned otherwise. What is Breitling here?
Breitling is another company which has offices in the nearby region. So that's why I said that there's only one
Okay.
group there primarily.
I have two guesses. I'm not going with my favorite watch company, but I'm going to say Fossil.
Not Fossil. Going to Neha.
It's Timex.
Brilliant answer. It is Timex. Timex is the right answer. So I was going to give a hint that this is the one that is an official sponsor for most of the swimming events. So Timex,
My other guess was Casio. So yeah.
Timex
That's
brings
your
another
what?
10. Casio is not primarily a watch company.
Yep. True that. But it's just my favorite
Casio
brand,
is
so
from
that's what I
Japan,
know.
right?
Yeah.
Yep.
So the next direct, which is the last question, is for Kritik. Now, X announced in 2006 that it filed complaints with the US International Trade Commission, ITC, and the US District Court against 11 companies that manufacture, import, or distribute products which are called X of X being the brand that it believes infringe its patents. Seizures of counterfeit X occurred in 2007 in the Philippines and Denmark and were under litigation in South Africa. In 2010, the United States Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit held that X's design patent had been actually infringed. Now, I want you to tell me the name of this brand, X, which is a very famous shoe brand.
Yeah, one sec. Okay, is it Adidas?
Not Adidas. Good guess. Good guess.
Okay, then it'll be the other ones.
Okay, going to Aditya.
Um, okay, so let's see. Reebok, I don't know many shoe brands.
Okay, not Reebok. Going to Srinath.
Neha, giving you this opportunity to get the correct answer if I get it wrong. But okay, it's not Adidas, it's not Reebok, and it's a very famous company. And I think Nike's already been used, so I can eliminate that. Uh, I don't think it is Hush Puppies. Okay, wait 1 second. Uh, Dash offs. Just because of the fact that it's under litigation in South Africa, for some reason, I'm going to say Puma.
Not Puma. Going to Neha.
Okay. Come on, Neha, guess it.
So I was going to say Puma because like X offs, it should be a small enough name like Adidas offs,
Correct.
kind of, right? I really don't know, man. Because Bata was supposed to be South Africa, right?
I think it's uh, Swiss or Swedish or something.
Bata has
Oh, is
something
it
European. Yeah, I'll just give you that.
European? Okay. Um, what other shoe brands are there, man?
Is there a shoe brand called Jack? Because now
I thought of that too. But yeah, that would be a bit much, no? I think it has something to do with. I was thinking rip offs also because rip, what could like rhyme with rip or to that effect? I don't know. I'll go with Bata. I have no clue.
Okay. Not the right answer. We'll go another round with a hint. Now, anything that I'll say will automatically make you think of it and just come up with the answer. But I'll give you a little difficult hint. Uh, think of the brand Lacoste. We'll go again with Kritik.
oh,
Kritik, it's your turn. Kritik.
उसने हार मान लिया.
Okay, he has a network location.
Sorry, I was not able to like listen to you because it was breaking. The voice was breaking.
Yeah,
Can
yeah,
you repeat it?
yeah. Can you hear me now?
Hello?
There's a very big
Hello?
lag.
Am I audible?
You are, but am I audible to you?
Babu Rao.
Killing me.
Yeah, he'll
Triple
rejoin.
8112 Babu Rao. Babu Rao, Star Fisheries.
How drunk are you, Srinath?
Not much, but Aditya is not giving me humor points. Okay, that's what I'm worried about here.
अरे नहीं, I am.
हाँ, he's like पता नहीं चलेगा पर मिलेगा.
अरे तो I declare that, so it's not going to be an issue. Also, I'm really scared because the Malik again has joined and I am being signed out. So I don't know how am I connected and whether this recording will be processed or not.
Srinath, you're clearly going to get this one, right? I
Can
mean, who's
someone
after Kritik?
Can you please read the message that just came
I
in the
know this.
chat?
Sorry, what?
Can you please read the message that came in the chat? If I touch the trackpad, it will show the answer.
Okay.
ग्रुप का चैट नहीं है,
There's-
रूम का चैट
कुछ नहीं है ब्रो जूम
Okay.
चैट में.
है.
I sent it to you personally, Aditya. I was asking if the
Oh.
recording's working.
Okay.
Because if it's not, I'll tell the owner to log out.
नहीं.
There's no Zoom chat.
नहीं, वो प्राइवेट में आ गया.
Oh God, this is killing me. Jesus
I
Christ.
didn't know the answer for once. Just for natural heroes.
There was no other hint for me to actually say out loud.
Whose turn is it next? That's what I'm concerned.
Kritik के बाद it's Aditya only. He knows the answer.
So then, ठीक है, चलो, good. It shouldn't be Srinath. I'm sure we'll have a tie break then.
I think you two are getting through anyway.
I'm
Kritik,
sorry.
Yeah,
Yeah,
looks
I
like
gave
it.
up on you. Sorry.
Can
Can
you
you
hear me?
repeat the whole clue, please?
Yeah. So I can't say much about it because the moment I'll say the something related to it, it will completely come off as the answer. So instead,
Okay.
I'll just ask you to focus on the brand Lacoste.
Brand?
Yeah, the brand Lacoste.
Okay. Can you spell the name? I think I know what you're telling, but can you spell the name?
Lacoste.
Okay.
Think of it.
Yeah, is
There's
it the
something
like the
similar.
crocodile logo wala? I guess it is the crocodile logo wala. The one you told, no?
Yeah. So
Okay, just a second. Okay, is it Fila?
not Fila. Going to Aditya.
Okay.
It's Crocs, isn't it?
It is Crocs. It is Crocs. Crocs is a brand
Oh,
which is probably the most
Wow.
infringed patent in the world. So Aditya finally gets 10 points for Crocs, opening his account. With this, we come to an end to today's quiz. The final score tally is Aditya has 10 points.
Right? I'll
Kritik.
try myself tonight. That's cool.
Kritik has 15. Srinath today has 20 with Bosch & Lomb and Nike. and Neha has 30, making her the winner of today's round. Sorry, 40, 40, 40.
40, yeah.
Yeah, 40, making her the winner. On the fun front, Anand is still leading with 4 points. Today's highest was three for Aditya, and so Aditya wins today's fun round. But Neha and Srinath qualify into the semis. So congratulations both of you, and thank you to Kritik and Aditya for joining us today. And it was
Thank you.
lovely having all of you take out the time. For those who are watching us, this one does not go on Spotify. This one only goes on YouTube. Please hit the like button, comment if you don't like it. If you like one of these people and you've been following us for a while, apart from Kritik, who was a debutant today, Neha is the winner of our first grand tournament. I had to plug that in somewhere. Srinath and Aditya have all played before. So that's the reason I, can vouch for these people that yes, they will not quit or they won't back out. So hence, yeah, Indra Nagar ka Gunda.
Oh, ho, ho.
So please download Thread. They're in losses. So not a paid ad, but still. So thank you so much. We'll meet again in the next quarterfinal. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Aditya.
Thank